Good morning, children. Welcome back to your English class. We are doing The Coming of Spring by Sanchit Saluja. So today we are going to do some wow words and their meanings. New words. Wow words are new words. New words which are going to be added into your vocabulary, into your dictionary. Isn't that exciting? Yes. Arrival. So your first word is arrival. Arrival means coming. Okay? Cheer. Cheer means joy, excitement, happiness. All this comes under cheer. Peep. A quick look. Once when your teacher is not around in your class and you're making a huge amount of noise, and suddenly one of your friends, just to see if the teacher is coming or not, you just peep out, it's just a quick look, right? So that's called peep, a quick look. Sills. Sills, when I explained also, I told you the edges of the windows are called sills. Pretty. Pretty means beautiful. Unfold. Unfold is to spread out or to bloom or to grow. Like the roses will bloom. They unfold. Unfold means to open up. Okay? Introduce. Introduce, to announce. The first day of your class, when you come to your class, you introduce yourself to your teacher, right? Saying that I am so and so. So this is announcing that you are so and so. Introduce means to announce. Serengold. I have discussed this as well in the previous class. Serengold is the golden yellow light of the sun. Let us make sentences. Now, make sentences is you are given a word and then you will have to frame a sentence out of that. Some points that you have to keep in mind while making sentences are, first thing is that you will not change the form of the word. Second, you will not use the same sentence which is given to you in the lesson. Third, you can keep your sentences very simple. Okay? So let us start making sentences. Now, arrival. What is the meaning of arrival? To come. Right? So, with that, let's make a sentence. Arrival. Everyone was very happy on the arrival of a baby. Right? When a baby comes home, you're all happy, right? So, everyone was very happy on the arrival of a baby. Cheer. Cheer is to be happy, right? So, let's make a sentence. Cheer. 1,000 supporters packed into the stadium to cheer them on. When you have your IPL matches on, right? That time you have huge amount of crowds shouting, "Yay, Dhoni, yay, Dhoni," right? That is called cheering. So, when I have to put it in a sentence, how do I put it? 1,000 supporters packed into the stadium to cheer them on. Peep. Have a quick look. The sentence would be, she had to peep out at what was going on. Maybe there was a huge quarrel that was going on. So, she just had a quick look at what is going on. So, we will write, she had to peep out at what was going on. Sills. Sills are the edges of the window. He sat his glass on the window sill and stretched out his legs. Pretty. Neha is a pretty girl. Unfold. Enjoy your happiness while you may and leave the future to unfold itself. Enjoy your happiness while you may and leave the future to unfold itself. These are some of the sentences that I have made. Now what I want you to do is to make your own sentences using these keywords. Okay then children, that's all for today. See you soon in our next class. Until then, bye.